Hello and welcome to part 2 of the complete tips and tricks guide to using your Nexus 6. Today it's Homescreen Basics. On your main home screen you can swipe right to left to move between different screens with different applications and widgets. Swiping left to right will go through the same screens. You can keep track of which home screen you are on through the small dots positioned in between your home screen and dock. Each time you swipe, a different dot will turn white. From your main home screen, if you swipe from left to right, you will access Google Now, which displays news, weather, sports scores, traffic alerts, and a lot more. This feature is tied to the default Google Now launcher. The middle button in your dock is the application drawer, and this is where you can access all the applications on your device. Again, you can swipe from right to left to cycle through the applications, and there is a dot at the very bottom of the screen to show you where you are. To add an application from the drawer to your home screen, press and hold on the app you want and this will automatically switch back to your home screens. You can then drag the app around the screen and then let go to drop it into place. To move or delete that application, you can again long press on it to pick it up and then drag it around the screen or drag it to the X symbol at the top of the screen to delete it. This only deletes the icon, it doesn't uninstall the application. To create a folder of icons on your home screen, long press on an icon to pick it up and then drop it on top of another icon to create a folder. You can then pick up more icons to add to the folder. Tap on the folder to access the icons in it. To disband the folder, long press on the icons in the folder and then pull them out and drop them on your home screen. When one icon is left, the folder will automatically disappear. To rename a home screen folder, open the folder and then press on the words unnamed folder. The keyboard will pop up and you can type in your new folder name. Press enter on the keyboard or tap off the folder to complete the renaming process. To add a widget to your home screen, long press on a blank section of the home screen. 3 options will appear and you want to choose the middle widget option. Widgets come in a variety of forms from many different applications. You can swipe through the widgets to choose the one you want. When you find a widget you're happy with and you want to add it to one of your home screens, long press on it to pick it up and then drop it onto one of your home screens. As part of a widget you may have to select some options. In this example I need to select a topic for my news widget. Once it's added to your home screen, it might have interactive features, like this one that lets you swipe through different news articles. So, add the widget and have a play and see what it can do. Many widgets can be resized, and to do this you need to long press on it to pick it up and then drop it in the same location. A border will appear around the widget, which you can then drag to adjust the size of the widget. Tap off the widget to confirm its new size. To change your wallpaper, long press on a blank portion of your home screen and choose the left of the 3 options, which is wallpaper. You will see various wallpaper options at the bottom of the screen and you can scroll through them until you find one that you like. Tap on it to preview the wallpaper, and if you want to use it, tap on Use Wallpaper in the top left hand corner to select it. Now, when you scroll through home screens, you will see the wallpaper scroll along with it. But if you want something a little more exciting, you can try adding a live wallpaper. You will find these by scrolling past the static wallpapers to the named live wallpapers. These will contain funky animations that always run in the background, so make sure you find one that isn't too distracting. Again, once you've found one that you like, press select wallpaper and that will default to your home screen wallpaper. If you swipe down from off the top of the screen, this will display your notifications. If you swipe down again when notifications are displayed, this will show various quick settings. You can gain instant access to this quick settings screen by swiping down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen. If you have downloaded another home launcher from the Google Play Store, you can switch between launchers by going to the settings and then pressing on the home option. This screen will display all the launchers currently on your handset. When you select a new one and press the home button, you will return to that launcher's home screens. To switch to another home launcher, simply repeat the process. Thank you for watching this Video Gadgets Journal video today. My name is Rob, and each of my videos is designed to inform, intrigue and entertain, to connect you with your technology. Today I've been connecting you with the Nexus 6. If you want to follow more of my journal on the device, then click over here. If you want some useful hints and tips on the Nexus 6, click over here. And if you want more information about the channel in general, then click on me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.